This one got drug straight down the side. I have a Toyota Corolla here. This one got drug straight down the side. I have to repair the quarter panel dog leg section right here. The rear door is damaged right in this area, as well as the front part of it. The front door is damaged all the way across, and then I also have damage on the fender here. So I'm going to repair the whole side of this. I'm going to start doing my metal work all the metal out.
Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Panther-Pro and their complete fit glass system. Many of you can absolutely lift a windshield out all by yourself. You could even sit one all by yourself. However, this is destroying your shoulders and back. Not to mention the risk of possibly nicking the paint on either side of the windshield or on the hood of the roof. Anything's possible. I've seen it happen before. Whenever you're trying to sit a windshield all by yourself, it's very, very awkward. My friends at Panther-Pro made this process very simple. You just drive over the base, set up the arm, and it sets up in less than 2 minutes. Very, very simple. You have a controller to control the speed, the up and down speed, and you could easily, slowly lift a windshield out or sit the new one back in all by yourself. Stop distracting your other employees. Stop destroying your shoulders and back. Go to pantherpro.com and get yours ordered today.